train we just passed. This is Jennifer motoring along.
Alright, you're shooting video?
Yeah. Oncoming riders. Check this out. Helmet cam. Helmet cam.
Alright. People can bring collarbones that way.
You think?
You can bring them on tape.
Hey, you know, I've heard that. People have told me that.
I heard that recently.
Yeah.
Very recently.
Really?
Yeah.
So someone you know has broken a collarbone?
Yeah. Crazy. Yeah.
I hear it's very painful too.
So I would definitely led to understand. He seems to be doing quite a bit better now, so that's good.
Yep. That is good.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, where'd Lori go?
Lori's on your left.
Okay. There's Cindy goes by and...
Oh, the ride the bike does? Oh. I haven't tried that yet.
Okay. Here's Terry and Lori.
Woohoo!
Speeding by. Okay, be careful guys. You don't want to heat those brakes up too much when you try and stop. So... go easy on the speed. Don't want to melt those tires. There goes Steve.